When I think about birds, I marvel at this group of animals. Birds are excellent flying machine. They are matchless. Each and every part of body is modified according to aerial mode of life. If you happen to examine a bird closely, you find their aerodynamic shape. No matter how small or big they are, but they are aerodynamic. See their beak, see their hind legs, see their wings, wingspan, see the feathers, see their eyes, see the movement of their skull, and all that. You will wonder how they are modified. See the hind leg, suitable for grasping, for picking up things, picking up prey, for holding on to the branch of the tree. See the forewings, that is the wings, the forelegs, the wings, wingspan of different birds, of different, of course, sizes. Imagine the albatrosses, the Arctic tern, huge wingspan. Of course, that birds that hop for short distance have shorter wings, and flightless birds have very small wings, but wings are the locomotory apparatus. Depending upon how far and how high they fly and for how long they fly, the wingspan is accordingly modified. The wing muscles are very powerful muscles. Their skeletal system is very specialized in the sense that they are very light, and many of the bones are fused. See their skull bones, many of them are fused. See the hind limbs, the tarsometatarsus and carpometacarpus, they are fused. So fusion and lighting, these are the two remarkable features of bird skeleton. They are deprived of teeth, but they have beaks of different shapes and sizes depending upon their food habits and other things. Their digestive system is also modified in that they have in their stomach a grinding machine called gizzard that serves to grind the food. The last part of the alimentary canal, rectum, is also modified into three parts. In one of the parts, ureter opens, drops urine into it, and the water content in the urine is further reabsorbed, and the urine becomes semi solid. They are uricotelic animals in that they excrete uric acid rather than urea. The fecal matter and the excretory matter both form the droppings of the bird, and they dropped through the cloaca. Birds have only one ovary. Eggs are shared. They are provided with a huge amount of yolk, the reserve food material for the growth of the embryo. The embryo is covered by extraembryonic membranes, amnion allantois. The birds lay their eggs in nests of different shapes, different types, and after a period of incubation, say about for 3 weeks or so of incubation, the egg cracks open and the young one hatches out. The young one may be altricial or precocial. If it is precocial, it will immediately be released from the egg and start moving around. But if it is altricial, it requires a little bit of care and remains in the nest for some time before it takes off. And it takes off to lead an independent life. and a bird is free in the air, goes on, moves on, picks up food, takes an adventurous life, roosts in the tree in the evening. They have a social life for a brief period. They socialize, they help each other. Of course, they pick a fight also. They have all kinds of nuances in their behavior. And when they have to pick up their mate, they do all kinds of antics, dances to allure the opposite sex. They can even sing, they can even dance, they can move around and express their sense of fidelity, especially the males, so that they win their heart of the female, and then they form the nest together and lead a reproductive, happy life.